Hi everyone, this is question number 20 in chapter 2. So given that y equals to 1 over x, we have to prove that y plus the second derivative of y equivalent to this one. So let's start with y equals to x to the power -1, so that it's easier for us to differentiate this way. Okay, so we have negative x to the power of -2, and then continue to do the second derivative. We will have 2x to the power of -3. Now let's start from the left-hand side. So from the left-hand side, we have y, which is 1 over x, plus second order of derivative, that is 2 over x cubed. And therefore, this one we can combine the two fractions to become a single fraction. So we multiply x squared up and down to the first fraction. So we have x cubed and x squared plus 2. And after that, we can factorize the 1 over x cubed so that we left x squared plus 2. Now the 1 over x, isn't it familiar? That is our y. So let's factorize, take the power 3 out. So x squared plus 2. So we have just proven it is equivalent to y cubed, x squared plus 2, exactly to the right-hand side. So proven. That's it for question number 20.